What's up, y'all? Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. I go by the name of RONP, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison video with the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been using the Pocket 2 for a couple years now, and I just got the 3, and we're going to talk about the specs and is it worth the upgrade to get the Pocket 3. So I just received my Pocket 3, and out the gate, the first thing that I noticed, it's a little heavier and it's a little bulkier than the 2. It's not to the point where it don't feel comfortable in your hand, but it's definitely a little beefier than the 2. But to be honest, in my case, for someone with bigger hands, you kind of feel more secure with the Pocket 3 in your hand because the Pocket 2 is so thin and small, but overall they're about the same size in comparison. So let's get into some of the more obvious features. The Pocket 2 has a small 1-inch screen opposed to the Pocket 3 that has a 2-inch screen, which is a lot more easier to push the functions and see what you're actually filming, and not to mention the way that this camera turns on. First of all, you see that you can film in landscape mode and you can film in portrait mode. So if you're doing reels or videos for TikTok, etc., you're able to do that with just flicking the screen sideways or flicking it up and down. So that's cool. The Osmo Pocket 2 don't have that. Another thing that I noticed is when you record videos on your Pocket 2 and you try to watch the playback, there's no sound. With the Pocket 3, when you record videos, you can listen to your playback. There's a little speaker right here on the front. You're able to hear your playback. So that's a big upgrade, because sometimes you're recording a video and you watch the playback, you want to make sure that you capture certain things, and there's no sound on the Pocket 2. There's sound on the Pocket 3. Also, the Pocket 3 has a larger sensor, which is good for those nighttime shots, and it actually so much better than the Pocket 2 filming at night. Both of them record in 4K, but this one records in 4K 120 frames per second. I think the Pocket 2 only records 4K 60 frames per second. You get better slow motion shots with this one opposed to the Pocket 2. Another thing that improved with the Osmo Pocket 3 is the battery life. The battery life has improved it. If I'm not mistaken, it's like 20 to 40 extra minutes that you can get as far as battery life opposed to the Pocket 2, and it charges a lot quicker than the Osmo Pocket 2. But I'm gonna let you guys make your own decisions. I'm gonna do some shots in the daytime and I'm gonna do some shots in the nighttime, and you guys tell me which one you feel is better for your vlogging or filming or whatever. You guys compare the difference, and we'll be right back. So after seeing the comparison, which one do you think is better for you? And do you think the Osmo Pocket 3 is an upgrade from the Pocket 2, and is it worth it? Comment down below which one y'all like the best. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And until next time, people, we out. Peace.